Welcome to DigitalBix Fashions. Waistcoats can make any man look dapper if styled with elegance and precision. Whether you are drinking at a club or attending weddings, waistcoats can never let you go out of style. If you are looking for best waistcoat for men, here are the latest top 5 waistcoats designs. Number 1. Double-breasted waistcoat. This double-breasted black waistcoat that is bound to transform your look, featuring a mandarin collar and a full button placket. This sleeveless waistcoat design is for men who wish to look prim at any formal event. Number 2. Semi-formal waistcoat. A devoted follower of fashion would know what a catchy pick this is. This edgy grey woven waistcoat is for all those men who like to stand out in those Friday night parties. Number 3. Ethnic waistcoat for Indian weddings. Add a refreshing vibe to your look this wedding season by adding this ethnic waistcoat to your wardrobe. This waistcoat design for wedding boasts of a traditional multicolor wave pattern and beautiful mandarin collar. Number 4. Tuxedo waistcoat. Redefine your style quotient by pulling off this slim fit waistcoat. This designer waistcoat hugs your torso, which perfectly accentuates a built body. Number 5. Casual waistcoat for boys. Wish to add some jazz to your look? Well, here is your chance to do so. Wear this printed woven waistcoat and you will be sorted for all casual events. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe DigitalBix Fashions.